in terms of the economic planks, in our Power to the People campaign, also mentioned in the Reconstruction platform is a matter pertaining to the nationalization of the Federal Reserve and taking the economic middlemen out of the process of currency and coinage in our country. Also, yes, that's a very important one. But also, our decision makers have chosen to spend $720 million every day on war and occupation. Now, just imagine if, in addition to that, the Pentagon claims that it lost, maybe it just gave it to someplace else and doesn't want to tell us who got it, $2.3 trillion. And so we've got $21 billion that was lost just by the CPA, the Coalition Provisional Authority over in Iraq under Paul Bremer. And we've got so much money that has just leaked through the system that it's incredible. And so if we flip our values so that our values can be reflected in the budget policies and priorities of our government, then of course we wouldn't have these kinds of outrages in our spending, military spending and homeland security spending and all of that, that restricts our civil liberties in the process as well.